Hello everybody. Today we're going to take a look at how to place a dine-in order. So once you log into the Pays application, you're going to be presented with your different order types. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the dine-in button on the left side of the screen. And once you do that, as you can see, you're going to have a few options in front of you. On the left side, you're going to be able to see your floors like I have over here, D, G, and B. And that's how you'd be able to access your floors. So to place a transaction or to place an order for dine-in, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your selected floor, click on all tables, select the table that you see is not active. You're going to click on the table and the system is going to give you a prompt for how many guests you have. So for this example, let's say we have 3 guests. And let's move forward from here. I'm going to click on whole table. I'm going to add a bunch of appetizers and I'm going to add some individual items for each guest as well. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to click on proceed and fire. The system is going to process that order, and once it's been processed, you are able to fire it to the kitchen, or you can choose to have it on auto fire, whichever settings that you have. Those options are going to appear for you on the top left side of your screen. Once you're done with this, you can have guests pay for themselves by clicking on the pay button right next to their name, which I'm going to do for this example as well. We're going to click on the pay button right next to guest 3. I'm going to click on this cash button right here, and that's going to close out his tab. Once he's done with this payment, what the system is going to do is it's going to highlight his entire page in green to let you know that this guy is done with his payment. And if I want to close the total bill for this dine-in transaction, all I'm going to do is click on the pay total button on the top right side of my screen right here, pay total. I'm going to hit cash payment once again. It's going to process the order, and there we go. That's how you do a dine-in transaction at Pays POS.